I think the easiest way to start, especially if you don't already have an audience, is to choose a platform like Instagram, like LinkedIn, like YouTube. I suggest YouTube because of the depth in the way that you can create this online real estate that helps you for years to come. But you can do something a little less daunting like Instagram or even LinkedIn, where the person asking earlier about not wanting to show their face on LinkedIn, you actually could just do all text. But you choose one platform to be where you establish your expertise by posting content about a certain topic. And then you also use it to start to drive traffic to, this is the easiest way, I think. There are many ways to do it, but the easiest way is to drive traffic to a free membership on the platform that we use in Arlan's All Access. You use that platform, you start cultivating this free membership. You pay $100 a month for it, but it's free for the people joining. They start to know each other. They're asking questions. They're going to your lives, very special. You're putting freebies in the classroom, and they start to understand your expertise and your value. You're providing that value and you're driving traffic. And then from there, you can make an offer of something that is paid. And I do think there's a video I put out recently about making $5,000 in 7 days. And it's I think it has like 20,000 views now. And I just put it out on Monday or so. It is about how you can sell something high ticket. Now, I talked to somebody today who they needed money even sooner than that, even sooner than cultivating a free membership, which I think is the best way to do it and the easiest way. So I said, get traffic to your Calendly or to somewhere where somebody can sign up to have a call with you or a Zoom with you, and you can get Zoom for free and have 40-minute calls for free. Have somebody get people on a call, get 10 people on a call, not in the same call, but one call per person. If you get 10 people on a call and you have figured out what you're going to offer them, and you offer them something that costs 500, 300, 1,000, I would try to do $1,000 or more, but when you're just starting out, try something that's going to be meaningful to you. Get one of those 10 people to agree to it, but by providing value on that call. And there's these different levels to it. Of course, there's like, what do I offer? Who are the people I'm sending this to? How do I get traffic to them? There's all these levels to it. That's why I do my YouTube videos every day. So you can go in and just go, dial in there. And that's why I hold your hand in Arlan's All Access. Is because there's levels to it, but really that's the end of the day. You could leave right here and know how to do it. And I was on a call today. I don't know if she's here right now, but I was on a call today with somebody, and I was doing some tough love. And I was saying, look, if you need money, because they were saying they need money and they need it now. If you need money and you're not on a phone call with an offer, I don't know what you're doing. It'll, at the very least, be able to tell me, hey, I just did 10 calls yesterday or the last 2 days, and I didn't get anybody to buy. That is a problem in itself. We can figure that out. Okay, well, is it the offer? Is it the pricing? Is it how you're saying it? Is it that the offer needs to be something different? But if you don't even have the reps of, I didn't even try to do this on sale, like do sales, then that's a problem. If you didn't, there's so many things you can do. I have a video, how to make your first 10,000, how to make your first 1,000. All that's found on this YouTube channel. And I talk about the many ways you can make a few $100s. I talk about bump sale. I talk about all these different ways. And your goal is to make enough money so that you're in an okay position, but that you can then reinvest some of that money into making more money.